Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you're someone who's stopping by, I'll be more than happy if you click the subscribe button and join the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Tier Tray Challenge, which is hosted by Sanya from Domestic DIva and Diane and Yani from Deco. If you haven't already, please be sure to visit their channels as well. I will leave the link of their channels in the description box, and also the playlist will be in the description box. Today I'm very excited to share my tier tray decoration here, and all the items that I use for this decoration are all from Dollar Tree. And let me show the tapestry that I had in the bottom of the tray is from Dollar Tree, and this is a beautiful Merry Christmas written on it. And I prepared this tier tray from the 2 square plates and 1 candle stand and 1 more candle stand on the top, and I had the round plate on the top, and I had this green doilies on all the trays, and I decorated the Merry Christmas sign on this side and this beautiful snowflakes candle, red color, and I have this mesh lamp, this beautiful gifts, and this is snowman and a star, and those are the cute ceramic trains and jingle bells and a lot of ornaments and golden beaded necklace and reindeer, another reindeer, and of course Santa. What is a Christmas without Santa, right? And I created 2 bows, one with a golden mesh ribbon and also silver mesh ribbon, and I actually tied it with a red chenille stem, and I also have a lot of poinsettias. One is the silver poinsettia and 2 ornaments. And the last tier has the beautiful home, and I created a bow with my silver mesh ribbon, and I used the chenille stem, silver chenille stem, and this is one of the Christmas tree, silver color, and then it changes color. It's an electric one, and I had this small tree in front of the house from one of the baskets of tree that I got, and I had one of the gift box in front of the house, and then beige poinsettia, and I have this beautiful lantern where reindeers are sitting in front of the house. Yeah, so this is my tier tray decoration for Christmas. I hope you liked it as much as I did, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and hit the bell icon for me if you want to see more videos like this when I upload. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.